Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the best 3D printer for small businesses. 3D printing has become a rapidly growing technology, and it is being widely used in small businesses. The 3D printer is used in condition to provide vast and unique opportunities for small businesses to develop their products. To help you out, we have gathered the best 3D printers for small businesses on the market today and some essential features to look for when making your decision. This printer users should look for large build volumes, reliable and easy-to-use features, and multiple material compatibility. For your need, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can buy them without the hassle. The best thing is that these links are updated daily to get you the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is R QIDI Technology iFast 3D Printer. The R QIDI Technology iFast 3D Printer is the perfect tool for small businesses looking to produce high-quality manufacturing-grade parts quickly and efficiently. Its industrial-grade structure and second-generation dual Z-axis design enhance stability and accuracy during the printing process, resulting in faster and smoother extrusion of filaments. The iFast 3D printer can print almost all filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and nylon, making it an excellent choice for businesses with the freedom to choose their preferred filaments. With the automatic dual extruder, the iFast 3D printer can produce complex manufacturing-grade parts with precision, making it an ideal choice for businesses that require complex structures. The all-metal high-temperature extruder ensures durability and prints smoother than typical brass nozzles. The iFast 3D printer comes pre-installed with a dual extruder, which provides a print size of 330 by 250 by 320 millimeters. The iFast 3D printer comes equipped with self-developed QIDI slicing software, which offers two modes suitable for novice and experienced users. The large UI interface provides an excellent user experience, making the iFast 3D printer an ideal choice for businesses looking for a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution. So if you want to buy the Fast 3D printer for small businesses, check out the link in the description box.